convert a space to a pure environment, what we're doing is we're improving the air quality. We're getting rid of the bacteria and viruses and things that may cause a respiratory challenge. So when we go into a space, the very first thing we're going to do is try to get rid of those irritants that cause any type of respiratory challenge.
First, we start off by emitting an ozone machine. You want to make sure that all the surface area is sealed off. You want to tape off any ventilation that will suck air out of the room, potentially into other parts of the building. What ozone is a gas. And then when this gas is emitted throughout the room, it'll actually kill any mold, bacteria, and it's also a deodorizer. Second step, we're gonna go ahead and do the carpets. Now, our carpet solution is plant-based, and it actually removes any harmful chemicals from any other typical carpet cleaner. Any surface in the room, we are going to wipe down. After that, we are going to spray down a chemical called Shield. Shield is an antimicrobial. And what this is an electrostatic barrier. It's an invisible barrier that we put on the wall.
And what it does is it stops bacteria and virus growth on every surface of the room.
If you were to look at under on a microscope, it creates these cones. And as soon as it hits the surface, kills it, and then our purifier will pick it up.
And then we clean and sanitize the air handler, because that's the air that you're breathing while you're in the room. And we add a Class 2 medical device air purification system that also filters the air and gets out fine particulate, and also kills 99.9% of airborne viruses and bacteria. In hotels, we go a step further where we address the bedding, because that's where the guest is sleeping, and we want to protect the guest from dust and dust mite allergens. We also want to have the guest have a feather-free experience. I would say the thing that guests like the most is a guest that may have a sensitivity when they travel. So whether it be a chemical sensitivity or whether it be severe allergies or asthma to anything in the air. We have guests that aren't able to travel on their own because of that, and when they find a pure room and they stay in a pure room and they have a great night's sleep, they just can't wait to tell us, and they can't wait to find another pure room to stay in, because now they can travel. Walking into a pure room is like being on a mountain and breathing the fresh air on the mountain, or being at the ocean and breathing the air right there at the ocean. It's just a very fresh feel when you walk in the room.